Class 6 Math Chapter 2nd Exercise 2.2 Whole Numbers. First question, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. We have to find out the sum by suitable rearrangement. A part is given here. We can plus collectively these three numbers together also. These two firstly we can plus, after that this we can plus, but here we need to use suitable rearrangement. Means we need to see ones place, here is 7, here 8. This is ones place, this is tens place. So this digit we will plus, we will get 15. So we should get 0 at ones place, means once this digit we should get 0. Here which digit we should get 0. That's why on ones place we should get 0, like 10, 100. This 0 we should get. Then we will see like that digits, that numbers. Here 8 and 7, 15 we are getting, so we will not take in one bracket. Now 3 and 7 we are getting 10, so that's why we will take in one bracket this, and 208 separate. We can show right hand side after adding. We can show here, you can write here 1200 plus 200, it will be 1408. We can show here in right hand side. Now in B part you can try yourself. Here also if we will, this number and this number will be in one bracket. Here 8 and 2 10 we are getting, and 3 and 7 10. So try yourself this. Now second question, find the product by suitable arrangement. There we have done plus, here we have to do multiplication. Same here, we have to take ones place, we should get 0. So 2 and 50 if we will multiply together, and 1768 separate, then we will get here 100. And no need to show multiply here. If 1768 we will multiply with 100, last just 20 will be applied. Otherwise see, if we will not use suitable arrangement, then firstly we will multiply this with this, then we have to show that multiply with 50, so it will be lengthy, it will be long process. That's why we have used this process. That's why it is said here suitable rearrangement. Like this was the A part of question. Second, now F part. F part also same here, means we should multiply. Like these two numbers we can multiply, but this also will be long process. So if 8 5 ja 40, we will get here 0 on, as means ones place we will get 0. So these two we will take together, and these two. Just here in right hand side you need to show multiply 125 of 8, 125 and 8, and here 25 4 ja. If you know the table of 25, then you can write 25 4 ja 100, and this 0 separate you can write. Otherwise need to show the multiplication. Just 25 and 4, 0 can be applied later on. Here we will get 1000, multiply 1000. No need to show multiply, just you can write here 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 6 0 will be together. So this is the suitable rearrangement. In this we don't use the long method. We have to solve the question in short method. There are B, C, D, E, more 5 parts are also there of question second. Total parts are 6. B, C, D, E parts you can try yourself with the same method. Now let's see question number 3rd. Class 6 chapter 2nd exercise 2.2 whole numbers. Question number 3rd. Find the value of the following. Now you can see here, find the value of the following. 297 multiply 17 plus 297 multiply 3. Here you can see in between plus sign is applied, so this is the separate portion and this is the separate portion, because plus sign is applied here. So in this complete number 297 we can take as common outside. Inside will be left 17, here plus sign, then 3, because 297 we took out as common. Now 297 bracket means this and this number is in multiply sign. 17 plus 320. Just here you need to show the multiply 297 with 2. Here in right hand side you can show 297 multiply 2, 594, and 0 will be applied back side. So likewise now without taking common, if you will solve, then firstly you have to solve this, then plus, then you have to solve this, then we have to plus both the numbers. So this is the short method by taking common. Now other parts B, C, D you can try yourself. Now let's discuss fourth question. Class 6 chapter 2nd exercise 2.2 question 4. Find the product using suitable properties. Here we have to use the properties. 738 multiply 103 103 we can write 100 plus 3. So this we have done in distributive property. So here we can write by using distributive property. Distributive property under addition. This used to be distributive property under addition. Now 738 multiply in distributive property, once we are multiplying this, then with the second number. 738 multiply 100, then plus sign 738 multiply 3. Now just you need to multiply there. If we will multiply, we will get this and then plus this. Means after multiply these 738 behind, we will apply 2 zeros, and right hand side after showing this multiply you can write 2214. Right hand side after multiplication you can solve. After that, after plus you can write here. Now question number 4, B, C, D parts you can try yourself with the same method. Now let's discuss question number 5th. Exercise 2.2 question number 5th. Here you can see the statement. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of the petrol on Monday. Means on Monday he got filled 40 liter of the petrol. The next day he got filled in tank 50 liter petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? Now you can see the solution. Petrol filled on Monday we will write 40 liter. Petrol filled on next day we will write 50 liter. So firstly we will find out the total petrol. Total petrol filled 90 liter, 40 plus 50, 90 liters. Now see here we have to find out how much did he spend. Means amount we need to find out. Then amount will be right hand side. Which thing we have to find out, that will be right hand side of equal. Now you can see here cost of 1 liter petrol, it is given to us. Cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 44. So rupees will be right hand side because we have to find out the amount of 90 liter petrol. Here we can write cost of 90 liter petrol will be more than 1 liter petrol. In more we are multiplying. If we need to find out the value of more liters, means 90 liters, it is more than 1 liter. If we have to find out the value of 90 liter petrol, then it will be more than 1 liter petrol amount. In that we need to multiply. ज़्यादा के लिए हम multiply करते हैं. So we will multiply here. You in right hand side you can show in bracket after multiplication. You can solve also 44 you can show multiply with 9. And answer will be rupees 3960. So you can write therefore he spent rupees 3960 on petrol. Now question 6 you can try yourself. It is same as question 5th. Here you can see question number 6. Question 6 is same as question 5th. Little difference, you can try yourself. Question 7th 2.2 exercise 6th class math question 7. Match the following. This is given to us and this is also given. Now we have to match these statement with this. Now I have matched here first with C, distributive multiplication under addition. If we are writing, it is distributive property. Distributive property under addition. It used to be A, this suppose if we are considering it A, means A multiply B. Here this 136 we have divided in 6 plus 30 plus 10. Means we have distributed 136 in parts. So this will be distributive property. This I have matched with A, commutative under multiplication. In commutative property we are using A multiply B is equal to B multiply A, but here 3 numbers, so 3 numbers will be multiplied in left hand side, right hand side, but order will be changed. Here 248 50, here we change the order, 248 behind and 50 here we have written. So this is the commutative under multiplication. Now third we have matched with B. Here you can see 80 plus sign, so it is commutative under addition. 80 plus 2005 plus 20, here we have just changed the order. So now exercise 2.2 is completed. Thank you.